exactly in Hartono Mall, in biggest shop in Yogyakarta. And actually you can get a lot of DJI products here, and I want to get one today. It will be Osmo Action. Okay, in the box, let's open. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, right now I will try to test camera like daytime, and it should be light and dark, light and dark, light and dark. Okay, dark. And dark. Yeah, start and run. Okay. Oh, where we should go there? Yeah. We're running. Okay, go to the dark. Okay. I recording full day, but we still have battery. How much is it now? 20%. I still have 20%. It's really long time, because all the time when I'm recording and I'm not recording, display off or on. It's very useful actually. So about Osmo Action, is it Taras approved? Why not? Yes, I approve. It's a great features, waterproof tester, and amazing electronic stabilization. And actually, what I want to recommend to you, don't move so fast to side. Just move very soft, and it will be camera really not shaking. Oh, it's really stabilization so nice. And if you will use travel hand promo code travel hand, please, and then you will get up to 500 discount from all DJI products in DJI Experience Store. Just try to follow them here. Okay? See you.